Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Al Ahmed, and today we're going to be doing a lightning transaction on the layer 2 of Bitcoin. I wanted to show you it in a real time way, so I'm actually going to be using two mobile phones for this. My company phone and my personal phone here, okay? Now, the thing is, by the way, if you didn't know already, there is no second best, as you can see there, lol. But basically, this is layer 2 of Bitcoin. Lightning payments are instantaneous. We're going to be using an application called Strike. So while we do this, I want to show you it in a pretty way, as I always do. I'll go a bit back just so you can see everything. Hopefully I'm centered nice enough, and you can see my clothing as well, where there's no FOMO here. Anyways, as you can see on the screen, right, I'm going to be basically showing you two ways to do it. So this one has 656,000 sats. This one has 881,000 sats, right? I'm going to be doing a send function and a receive function within the application Strike. Strike, if you didn't know, is a Bitcoin only app. It's also a Lightning network as well. There's other Lightning network apps alone where you can't really buy Bitcoin. I think this one you can. This is a Bitcoin exchange as well. There's that Walter Satoshi's use as well. These are other Lightning networks where they use their own Lightning node. If you don't know how a Lightning node and all this is created, do check my channel out. Do subscribe to my channel. I've got educational content here free for you. It's a no-brainer, right? If you want to learn more about crypto, mainly Bitcoin, and the whole space of Web3 and finance and digital assets, stuff like this, cybersecurity, do subscribe. It probably, I say probably, it will benefit you. You just need to spend hours and hours if you're actually trying to learn a subject, right? Especially if you will to do a degree. Anyways, I don't want to go into academics here. Anyway, so we're going to do the receive function here. There's two ways to do this, right? So here I can do receive and then Bitcoin wallet or Bitcoin Lightning or code or username, request via username. I'm actually going to do this, right? This account here has a Lightning address saying DCA tenure at strike.me. I'm going to do the send function on this, right? I'm going to do via Bitcoin Strike user or Lightning address. Okay, let me click that there. DCA 10 year DCA 10 year at strike.me. Note testing. Let's do that, right? I want to send 100,000 sats. Now, I just want to show you how quick and instantaneous this is, right? This is because this is, I just want to, before I do next, I just want to explain here. The DCA 10 year at strike.me, this is just something I'm using temporarily, right? But so people would have their own Lightning address with something at blah, blah, blah. If you were to send to the address, for example, my jamesola.primal, sorry, at primal.net, if you send any sats there, it come direct to me. I own that. Okay. Now I own this one as well here for now, and when it sends, I'm sending through the human readable format here, because if I was to actually do it like this, receive, I'd actually click on that and it'd create a Lightning invoice. I'll come to that because we're going to go to that. But I'm showing you here with the screen there. I want to show you how instantaneous it is. I'm literally going to press next now. As you can see, 3, 2, 1. Next. Oh, right. Who are you sending this to? I will click on someone else. Okay. Next. 100,000. Confirm. Done. Can see that already it has sent you 100,000 sats, and it's instantaneous. I got a notification on the top. I had to blank out the name and stuff like this, but as you can see there, 756,000, 100,000 just came in. Okay, done. Yeah, and what does it show here? If I go into the history from, and then obviously testing, 100,000 sats. Amazing. Look at that, was instantaneous, and you can do that. It's like if I was trying to bank transfer somebody, obviously that happens within 7 seconds as well within the switch and everything, right? But basically, it's basically Lightning Layer 2 is instant as well, and it's just amazing. It's cost nothing. Okay, now I'm gonna do receive on this side. So receive and then Bitcoin Lightning wallet. So Bitcoin wallet. I can either do on chain or Lightning. There's also something else that you can do here. Say if you wanted to receive money for, I don't know. So I sell these, right, on my website. If you want to go into that jamesdollar.xyz, do check that out. I've got my affiliate links, discount codes there for hardware wallets. I've also got my asset portfolio there. I've got quite a lot of stuff there that would benefit you if you're definitely into Bitcoin and coming into the crypto space. Just want to clarify, Bitcoin and crypto is completely different. Bitcoin has a very nationwide use case. Anywho, I just want to show you here Lightning. I accept that on my website. So say I was selling, well, I am selling these on my website. What you can do is when you go to checkout, there's a BTC pay option there. When you click on that, there's a Lightning. When you send it, you can scan the QR. This is basically exactly what I'm doing here, but I'm showing you through my phone, right? Rather than actually going to my website and an invoice coming up. So an invoice is basically an invoice. It's basically saying, yeah, pay for this. Now here, as you can see here, it's saying 58 minutes and 51 seconds. This allows an hour. Like on my website, I believe I've set the threshold to 30 minutes. Whoops. Anywho, so the Lightning invoice is there. I can copy that and then paste it. Now, I'm going to do the send function here. So as you can see, send. And what I'm going to do here is, when I go into Bitcoin wallet or Bitcoin Lightning, it's going to want the camera to be displayed so I can scan this QR. I'm going to do 2 transactions just to show you how this works. I just wanted to also add the fact that you need to specify an amount. So the 2 ways I'm going to do it, once I'm going to be sending without any specification. So say that's me scanning this here. I want to send 50,000 sats. Next, someone else. And then I'm going to show you how instant it is, right? As you can see there. Send 50,000, confirm. Done. And it's just come in. It's just come in instantaneously. As you can see there, it says DCA 10 year has sent you 50,000. The other way you can also do it is, if I'm trying to receive, right, receive, I can set exactly how much I want it to be. So I want to actually receive 50,000 sats specifically. So this Lightning invoice that's been created, right, that's actually been created for just 50,000 Satoshis. So one difference that you're going to see now is when I do send, and as you can see here, I'm scanning it again. Someone else, next. It automatically says the person I'm sending it to, and then 50,000 sats automatically. It's not giving me an option of how much do I want to send. So I'm just going to confirm that. Sorry, I'm going to go out just to show you how quick it is. Boom, done. Again, instantaneous. It's beautiful. I'm back to how much sats I had at the beginning, and this is what I'm just trying to show you here. The fact that it doesn't cost anything. Lightning is very, very interesting. I love it. It's a great way of paying people, okay? This, I just want to clarify, is global. Say you want to send money back home or somewhere else. If they have a Lightning address, you can send it globally with no fee. That's unbelievable, is it not? You tell me. Comment down below what you think. Is this revolutionary? It's absolutely amazing in my opinion. But yeah, do consider subscribing to this channel if this benefited you. If you like videos like this, do like this video obviously, do subscribe and do comment. I also have a video regarding dollar cost averaging and investing. Do look at that video because it's very interesting for people that are trying to figure out should they invest in Bitcoin. Obviously, just to put it out there, I'm no financial, tax or legal advisor, no advisor of such. These are videos are all my opinions, and that video there is based upon research. I'm trying to collect data, okay, just to see the argument. Is it better to invest in Bitcoin rather than the norm of investing in a pension pot? Finally, I just wanted to add, if you are struggling with learning about self-custody, Bitcoin, crypto, the differences, understanding how to actually retain your assets, and you're completely new to this, all my content on YouTube is for free. Okay, that's the first step. You should be starting there. But if you have a specific scenario regarding inheritance or regarding the best way of creating a setup, multi-sig, etc., I do one-on-one consultations. You can see that on my website as well. You can book a consultation. I also stream twice a week where you can ask me live questions where hopefully I'll answer you. So if you can't afford my rates, feel free to ask there. Hopefully, I'll answer your question. Obviously, if it's specific to you and you're a wealthy individual, obviously it's a no-brainer to book me for a consultation to hopefully get your wealth safe and secure, right? That's the main aspect here. Anyways, lastly, let's not forget together. Let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.